Welcome to the second video on the old Germans, and the first video on my new project car, the Budget Hammer. I've had over 30 cars in my lifetime, but most of them have been daily drivers. This is actually my third dedicated project car. Like a lot of other idiots, I often go on Facebook Marketplace looking for new ways to spend all of my money and make my wife mad. 3 years ago, I was in the market for a new project, and my best friend Larry found a car that I couldn't pass up. He was all like, "Hey, I found an awesome car for you to buy, 78 BMW 633. Interested?" It's in Ohio. So I waited the appropriate amount of time, and then I called up my other buddy Dale. Ohio? Sure, let's do it.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
German cars, even if they don't run, gonna tow it home with this U-Haul truck, gonna tow it home, yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
Okay, so at this point, oh man, we've replaced a lot of stuff. Done all the fluids and filters. We've done all the belts and for the most part, most of the hoses. Coolant change. We've gone as far as to take the ECU out and fix all the cold solder joints.
A whole bunch of cold solder joints on this, man.
Tested everything, new plugs, new wires, new distributor cap, checked the timing, a whole bunch of stuff. What we didn't do was check out the this thing, which is the air fuel meter. Part of the Bosch L-Jetronic air fuel meter system. Bosch L-Jetronic system. Can't talk English, hard. Anyway, so last night I took it apart and I cleaned all the contact points in the L-Jetronic system. And I, what else did I do? Cleaned all the contact points and I reclocked the spring so that the spring now has a bit more tension on it. And those two things, moment of truth, let's find out.
New plugs, last plugs are definitely foul. Let's see. Okay, it's on. Let's do that. Let's just wait for it to equalize for a minute. Fuel pump's on and really loud. Oh ho ho ho!
Some fun.
3 years later.
I'm going to go look at a W124 Mercedes. In this case, it's a 300 CE, so the coupe version of that car, which is, if you ask people who know German cars, possibly one of the best built cars of all time. It came from an era, late 80s, early 90s, when Mercedes was operating on a spare no expense, profit be damned approach to car building. And now, nothing is that well built. So I'm gonna go look at this E24, or sorry, E24, I had one of those. I'm gonna go look at this W124 and we'll see what it looks like.
Is it in the garage?
It's in the garage, yeah.
Ooh.
Hey, Eugene, how are you?
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Hey.
There was a very specific period of time in the late 1980s and early 90s where Mercedes-Benz in particular, but also Jaguar and BMW to a certain extent, Porsche, made cars that were just designed to last. Like they were engineered with longevity in mind and not necessarily recyclability or optimum, fuel mileage or recyclability.
Not like the good old Econoline 350.
Not like a line 350. Get a lot of bucket trucks. Nail this up.
Clean, right?
Get a little bit of this. A little of this action. Listen to this. Like
yeah.
just
Steel. Wow, look at that interior.
You know what I mean? Like a bank vault.
I know what you mean about two-door, like about turboing it, and great interior, man.
Yeah.
It's a good call. Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, and it needs some things like airbag lights on. There's a small oil leak. A couple other things, but it's not. Nothing that is wrong with this car can't be fixed. Well, I have a Mercedes. Let's just make sure we're. Just picked up a 300 CE. Got the license plates on. We'll get it home and see what it needs. And see what I bought now that the dust has settled a bit. So this is it. This is the 1991 Mercedes-Benz 300 CE. So the interior on this car looks pretty damn good. That no worky. Runs a little rough until it warms up. But the seatbelt presents itself, which is really fun. Real switches. Awesome. Car has heated seats. One of the most reliable motors ever made. So just got to figure out a couple things. Air conditioning. Why is the air conditioning not working? Why is the driver's seat not working? And the airbag light. Got to get that off.
The old Germans.